Oh, what do we have here? Spoiled rich lady gets reality check, kicks officer outside bar.
He passed out.
For what?
He was in a driver's seat.
For what?
Drunk driving.
Drunk driving.
You searched that's my car. That's my car. You didn't have my permission.
On February 25th, 2023, concerned staff at a bar in Ohio called officers about a possible drunk driver in the parking lot.
Okay.
Hey, sir.
That's a man.
Officers arrived outside the bar and found the driver asleep with his foot on the gas pedal while the car was still running.
That's a dude or a man?
Officers began knocking on the driver's window to get his attention.
Take your foot off the gas.
What?
Just go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
So it wasn't her?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
73 to 30.
He had one beer. He had 2 beers.
You need a mech to respond? Did you realize when I approached you, I knocked on that window multiple times and you were not coherent?
I'm tired, dude.
You were passed out with your foot on the pedal and the gas, the accelerator. Do you realize what could have happened here, right?
Smoked any weed today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Earlier,
Yeah, when was the last time?
earlier
It smells like it in the car.
He had the munchies and then he went to sleep.
When was the last time?
The suspect admits to officers he had been drinking and smoking marijuana earlier that night.
Is that white Paul yours too?
No, that's my girlfriend.
Girlfriends?
Ooh.
She's in there.
She's
While
gonna
talking
be
further with the
pissed.
suspect, officers discovered the vehicle belongs to the suspect's girlfriend who's still inside the bar.
I don't want to drive. I shouldn't drive.
Why don't you think you should drive?
I shouldn't have been wheel, sir.
Why don't you think
Because
so?
I've been having drinks.
Okay.
Like, that was stupid. I'm sorry.
Imagine
That was
what-
bad. That shouldn't have happened.
But if someone walked out and you hit them, man, you'd be going
You're
through
right,
a lot,
you're right,
lot more
you're-
than what
you're
you're
right.
going through right now.
You understand, sir, if you weren't in park, your car would have been going across the street into traffic.
100%.
After refusing the field sobriety tests, officers arrested the suspect for suspected OVI.
You promise I'm not going to jail?
I can't make that promise. If you could find a ride, you won't go
I'll
to
get a
jail.
ride, I promise. Please call my mom.
Hold on one second,
Girlfriend's
sir.
in there, dude. I'm so
That's the first person I be calling to when I'm fucked up. You hear me? Hey, somebody call me mommy. ASAP, you hear me? Cause if the cops pull up on me and I'm in this predicament, I'm begging you to call my mom. Please. I know she gonna curse me out and she gonna probably whoop my ass, but that's just something I'm gonna have to take. You hear me?
sorry.
The best part is yet to come now.
As officers began searching the vehicle, the suspect's girlfriend, Kara, exited the bar and confronted the officers.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. What the going on? That's my car.
Okay. Well, here, I'll.
What the are you doing?
You need to calm down.
No,
or
you need to
you're-
get the
you're
out of my
placed
car.
under arrest. You want to be
For
placed-
what?
Then talk.
To cut and record this right now.
Okay.
What the for what?
Who,
To cut and
who
record
was?
this right now. I did literally nothing wrong. No. Why the Hey, somebody record this right now.
She about to be pissed off when she found out he called them cops on her boyfriend.
Please somebody record this. What the Why are you searching my car? This is my car. You have zero reason to search this.
Because your boyfriend was passed out in the car. And he
For
was
what?
Wait.
For what?
Is she drunk too?
Passed out.
For what?
He was in a driver's seat.
For what?
Drunk driving.
Are you shitting me right now?
No. He's in a cruiser.
He had his foot on the gas, completely passed
What
out.
are you talking about? Why are you in my car?
Because he was in the car, he was operating the car, and he's now under arrest for.
How? How? Where's the security footage? Run it.
It's right there on her chest.
Run the security
Just
footage.
responded out to the parking lot.
He was in the parking lot.
Where's the security footage? Are you shitting me right now? You searched my.
You just messed up her whole night.
That's my car.
And
That's my car. You didn't have my permission.
Are you want to take your marijuana?
My marijuana?
Yeah. Because
That's. You arrested him.
there's marijuana in the car.
That's my mother car.
Doesn't matter. There's marijuana in the car.
So you want to arrest me for a $150 charge? Go ahead. Slap me with the ticket because it's decriminalized in the state of Ohio.
Is it your
It's
marijuana?
decriminalized in the state of Ohio. It is decriminalized in the state of Ohio.
In other words, she be smoking with him.
Is it or is it not?
Is it yours or is it not?
You want to sit here and interrogate
Is
me?
it yours or is it not?
Is it or is it? I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
Is it or is it not decriminalized in the state of Ohio? That's my mother SUV. You don't have my permission to search any goddamn more.
I don't need your permission.
Go ahead.
He don't need it no more, babes. Like whatever you trying to do is done because they had every suspicion that they needed to do with whatever they wanted. As soon as they got to that car and the guy's foot was on, your boyfriend's foot was on the gas pedal, ramming it while it's parked, and they can't even wake him up. Oh yeah, you're cooked. Whatever you say, if it was whose car, the Pope's car. If you're breaking the law, you're breaking the law, and you got to answer for the consequences. That's just how this goes. But I applaud the cops for being very, very patient with this woman because she yelling and screaming at the top of her lungs, going off, saying, "You can't touch my car, and it's just like, man, if your dude would have parked and took his foot off the gas and probably jumped in the passenger seat, y'all wouldn't even be going through this.
No, you're not gonna search my mother car.
He already did it.
For what? For what?
You're impeding our
That's my
investigation
car.
right now.
Your investigation for what? That's my car. You do not get a search warrant. That is my car. That is my car, and you do not have my permission.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I suggest you go with your friend.
You do not have my permission to search my car anymore.
We're gonna search your car. and if
You're not gonna
continuing
search my
to do
car.
this, you're gonna be placed
You're
under
not gonna
arrest.
search my car.
You're gonna be placed under arrest
For what?
obstructing.
For what?
Okay.
For what? You do
Right
not
now,
have my car to search. That's my
I've
car.
been calm with you, and I'm
Being calm with you too right now. You do not. For what? What are you gonna arrest me for? What are you gonna arrest me for?
Obstructing official business. Okay?
Obstructing
Because we have
official
legal rights
business?
to search the car
For what?
For the marijuana that's
Where?
in the car.
Show me that right
with
now.
the open container.
Show me
and
that.
the car
Show me the
safety
law.
and
Pull
the
it up
car
on the web
safety
right now.
stuff.
Pull it up. And I'll be calm.
Okay.
I'll walk away.
The marijuana's in the car. There's 2 bags of
For
marijuana. in the car.
marijuana?
Yes. And because he was drinking and driving, the car's going to be towed. There's an open container. Okay?
Where's the law that you have the right to search my car
I
without
just
permission?
explained that to you. Okay, I just explained everything to you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not going to keep arguing with you. And if you're going to continue to be like this, you're going to be placed under arrest for
what?
obstructing. Okay? For obstructing.
Well, I'm gonna get my belongings out of my goddamn car.
You can do that once we're done. All right.
Go ahead. You
All
can
right.
search all my shit.
Okay.
Pull it out right now.
Continue to do this, you're going to be placed under arrest.
And you're gonna stop.
So if you
I'm
want,
telling you
if
right
you want
now.
to stand there
I'm gonna tell you right
remain
now.
calm and let us do our job.
I'm being calm.
That's fine. But if you're not,
And I'm gonna be
you're
sitting
placed
right the when you search my car because you're not placing
Okay,
shit on my
go-
goddamn boyfriend.
go
I'm gonna
sit-
sit. I know.
go
I'm
stand
gonna
by
sit.
the
I'm gonna
door.
sit right here.
Go
I'm gonna
sit-
no,
you're not
because
gonna
I'm gonna
sit-
watch
you're
you
not
search
gonna
my
sit
car.
You're not going to sit
But I
right
don't
there.
have the right to search my car.
She said I'm being calm, but yells the whole time. And then she says, "You're not gonna push it on my boyfriend. So you gonna take them charges?"
Why don't I have the right to watch you search my car?
You do, but
You can just stand over there.
Yeah, and I'm gonna watch him. I'm gonna step back. I'm gonna step back. I'm gonna place it on f***ing video.
Lord, she would give alcohol a headache.
That's all I'm asking.
Step back against the
That's
wall
fine?
so he's not. Yeah, go back against the wall.
Good. Whatever angle you're at, I'm walking behind you, and I'm gonna put.
You're not walking. You're not walking behind me.
I am walking.
That's why I explained why you'd be placed under arrest for obstructing.
I
Look, she burning up. She been drinking too.
literally don't have none on me.
Okay.
I literally don't have none on me.
It doesn't matter.
Nothing's
You're
literally
It must be cold out there.
You're not walking behind me.
Nothing is on me right now. I want to walk behind you
We're gonna
because you're not
handle
gonna
this
place shit on my
good.
goddamn boyfriend. He's a felon.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Oh, yep, you're failing too now.
Obstruction of official business.
Go ahead, because I have money, baby. We're gonna sue the state of Claremont
But
County.
tonight you won't be.
Ooh.
That's the rest. She goes to jail.
I literally did nothing.
Put your
No,
hands behind
because
your back.
I asked
Put your hand
for
behind your
it.
back, ma'am.
Good,
Lord.
good. We're not resisting. Go ahead.
Yes, you are resisting.
Am I? I'm
Am I?
literally standing right here. Good.
Am I?
Mine's right here.
Who's gonna
take her to jail?
Because I asked.
He's in that.
Because I asked to record the angle of my vehicle so he didn't place drugs.
okay?
Because he's a felon, so you don't place drugs on him. Because that's how you roll. Go ahead though. Place me back in the cruiser though.
Right here.
Get the
Stop.
Get
Ooh.
Right now.
Oh, so I need 5 men.
Everybody's close.
Get the I need one mother.
Oh, she a gangster for real.
One mother can arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh,
I got her.
Go ahead.
right in the head. Your ass going to jail. I should have known when she had that tattoo right there on the side of her face that she was on pure D bullshit. I ain't gonna even cap to you. She a whole gangster. How do you whip up that much energy to kick the cop in his head like that? That is just outstanding patience by this cop. I'm not gonna even lie to you. They haven't raised their voice. They haven't yelled. They haven't gotten belligerent. They haven't done none of this stuff. So my hat's off to them because I wouldn't have been able to handle it like this. I'm just not gonna even lie to you guys. Yeah.
Oh, did I?
There you go.
Go ahead. Oh, because we got a right there.
Got cameras all over around.
Yeah, dude.
If you kick again, you're gonna get hobbled.
I literally didn't.
She want to get hogtied.
You are.
Get in the car.
Where's your mark?
Get in the car.
Where's your
Get in the
mark?
car.
Where's your mark?
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Yeah, get in the car, lady. This ain't no picnic.
Thank you, please. Safety's very important.
Obviously.
Couple of years old. I can get about 3 badges out. Got about 3, you saw it.
Shut up. Oh, that's all. That looked like half an ounce.
An officer located pill bottles and bags of marijuana while searching the vehicle.
I would just do a.
I can't promise you that, sir, but my intention is not to take you to jail. You understand?
But they taking your ass to jail. They just found all that on you. You cooked. Stick a fork in your A1 sauce. Well done.
Hold on, sir. You can't search my car. Get back at the car. Get back in the car.
Honey Bee Grill. Oh, Jimmy B's Grill. They must serve some really great
Hey,
drinks.
Sarge, I'm taking it back to the PD for a test.
An officer tells the boyfriend he can go home, but later decides to take him to the police department for a breath test.
I knew they wouldn't finna let his ass go. They don't put you in cuffs and then be like, oh, you can go. When they done found all of that on you.
53, I'll be en route to Philger, where's the beginning?
I literally hope your wife is cheating on you with a black man, and she goes home and tells because you have like 6 kids that you don't.
Damn.
916
And I mean that from the bottom of my heart.
916.
Do not have the be placed under arrest right now. Let's go, because I cannot wait till my lawyer gets a hold of this. You tell me what? I will show the up to court, and I cannot wait. No, she would pay like 14 bucks an hour. Yeah, you wonder how much I make an hour? And all I do is show my titties for a living. Your wife's a
OnlyFans?
disgusting.
Those things are humongous. They did look nice.
And you're nasty, and you literally work around, drive around, save your life with a badge, which is honestly disgusting because the government's a joke.
No, baby, you are a joke. Damn, I wish I would have got her OnlyFans. I would have went to go look at those TTs.
The suspect was charged with obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct.
Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. This lady thought that she was going to be able to save her boyfriend, but the only thing she did was make matters worse. How do you tell the cops that they don't have probable cause to search your car when they find your boyfriend passed out, incoherent, with his foot on the gas? They open up the car door or the window. They smell gardening. You know what I'm saying? You're cooked. That's probable cause. Now they get to ransack your and whatever else they find. You just gonna get those charges added on to you. That guy should have known. When the cops find anything illegal on you, legal or not, you know what I'm saying? If it used to be illegal and now it's legal, your ass still going to jail. Like you wasn't escaping that in no way, shape, or form or fashion. And the lady here, she's just, oh my gosh, she was just a fucking headache from nightmare. And the fact that, you know what I'm saying, she was very good looking. So when she said that she gets paid to show her chi-chis, I could believe it because them things was nice and they was a little hard. That's why I was like, it might be cold outside. But thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys at the next premiere. And that's it, baby. We how.